Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about DeFi or decentralized finance on Ethereum platform and who is using this DeFi protocol. So before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so don't miss out the upcoming videos that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. And for my Patreon Crypto Die Master members, you can, I just post a video, don't buy this coin, you can check it out. And of course, I post a whole bunch of videos already, higher return, there's something higher return than gold. And as well as should you get the coronavirus vaccine, which gold and silver coin has high resale value, and the next Tezos, of course, that's next Tezos. If you miss the Tezos, there's another coin potentially similar to Tezos. If you're interested, you can join my Patreon group. So let's talk about one more thing. If you haven't installed the Brave browser, you can check it out. It blocks out advertising, also serving the internet faster. If you're interested, you can click the link below. Let's talk about DeFi decentralized finance project on Ethereum. So who is really using this DeFi protocol? And there's a report coming out from Consensus. A lot of activity from the DeFi decentralized finance is from a certain user. So so right now, in DeFi decentralized finance project, you have like 2.7 billion has been locked in a DeFi project, and it has been skyrocketing since April. And market maker dominance used to be 23%, used to be I think 40-50%. Right now, it's only maker dominance is only 23%. You know, maker followed by compound, synthetic, Aether, balancer, installed dApps, curve finance. And you can see a lot of things, a lot of projects they want to be on the theme of like on the bandwagon of the decentralized or DeFi decentralized finance project. So as long as you talk about your project has been touching on DeFi, your coin will be skyrocketing. That is what they, I guess this is what they want to do. And the right now, Compound and Uniswap probably is a typical decentralized finance use cases. And of course, this is the center in the crypto landscape in 2020. So people are talking about the DeFi project or decentralized finance will bring the next bull run for the crypto market. And there's a report coming out from the Consensus. They talk about right now, of course, DeFi, you can see the DeFi, the value lock is almost 2.7 billion. But the thing is, who is using all this DeFi project? And most of the DeFi activity is not coming out from new user. And the thing is, you will ask these critical questions about like DeFi user, is DeFi user actually taking advantage of the interoperability of the Ethereum-based DeFi protocol? And the thing is, to answer these questions, they analyze about 79,000 addresses that interact with DeFi smart contract in Q2 2020. So Ethereum surpassed 100 million unique address in June 2020. So active address usage is up 118% since the beginning of the year. And they you can see the thing is you have to stake your you have to log in your token to play the DeFi game. You can see like deposit like all the user who have deposited some 1.2 billion worth of Ethereum or Ethereum based token in the DeFi applications, only 884 of this had sent 100 transactions or more over the course of the quarter. And the user based on the user activity, the report stated that the majority of the DeFi user remain loyal to one platform in particular, and they rarely use other DeFi applications. I mean, the thing is, to me, is it because is it because the whales they want to pump certain projects, so that's why they just focus on one DeFi applications? This is a question we need to think about. And when comparing to among all the users, there's a lot of super user. That is a very high proportion of the user from the pool, and they have interact with at least 2 or 3 different DeFi protocol than user who has not. So basically, when compared to the average user, super user had a higher proportion. They're using at least two or three different DeFi. And Uniswap captured the majority of this overlapping user, 1,625 super user, and active with the platform. And then Kyber network, 916 user, and followed by Compound, 367 user. And you can see Synthetic, you have 100, you have Bancor, 137, Argon is 248, and installed dApps is only 26 user. That's not enough. And you have Maker 42. And what else you have? You have one in the DAX, seriously? And what else is this one? DYDX is 146. So the thing is, those explosive growth of the compound did little to attract new user. Basically, all these are just a repeat user using the DeFi application, or just a regular user. And I don't think it's a good idea. It's because if you are just repeating user using the same thing, and they're super user or the whales that just playing the DeFi game, I mean, is it like they are running at the risk of running a potential bubble? I'm not sure. And I think the goal of the DeFi decentralized finance is to bring mainstream adoptions. But right now, we are still a whole bunch of just the super user or the whales are playing the game, not an average average Joe playing this game at this time right now. And I hope this can change. I hope this can be more for mainstream adoptions eventually, because this is not sustainable if you're only a certain small number of people playing this game. So, but the thing is, in crypto market, a small amount of money can move the market. So this is up to the whale how they want to play the game, whether they want to move the market up or move the market down. So they have a bigger upper hand. But if the market cap is so big, it's more difficult to manipulate. So right now, the DeFi thing is basically just a whole bunch of repeated user or super user playing the game at this time right now. So let me know what you think about this DeFi decentralized finance project. I know a lot of people are locking up their token in the DeFi project, but the thing is, most of them are the super user or the whales playing the game. So is it even healthy, or this is just another 2017 ICO fiasco coming up? So we'll see. Let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you. But the thing is, in 2017 ICO is a different scenario. Remember back then, I think even a regular user, not whale, they participate in the ICO, because at the time you only give like one Ethereum, you can participate, right? You don't have the entry of those ICO is pretty minimal. It's just one Ethereum, you can buy certain token, but there's no I think the minimum is one Ethereum. You can buy some. I think some project is even less. So at the time, is even everybody can participate. If you're a little bit tech savvy, back in 2017, you can buy a whole bunch of ICO, and then you can make huge profit out of it already. But anyway, let me know what you think about this. I would love to hear from you. If you find this video interesting or helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, also share with your friends, and make sure you comment below. That will help my ranking in YouTube. And also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv as well as Patreon. And remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of the money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not your financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, commodity, and stock market can have inherent. Please use your due diligence. And this video is only for informational and entertainment purposes, not a financial advice. Please consult your financial planner.